How to invite accountant to FreshBooks. Need to share your books with your accountant? Here's the quick way to invite them in FreshBooks. So log into FreshBooks and then go ahead and head over into the team members section. This is where you manage team members and permissions. So click on this add team member button at the top right, and then you can go ahead and add that team member's first name, last name, and email address. And then you can go ahead and set their role, job title, and set if they're on payroll or not. Accountants get restricted access. They can view reports, invoices, and expenses, but won't manage your clients or projects. So you can revoke or edit access anytime on their team members. This keeps control in your hands. Inviting your accountant saves time and reduces errors. Whether you're freelancing or running a business, it makes tax prep effortless. And that is how to invite accountant in FreshBooks.